Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question based on sets and mod. Okay, this idea. So, look at this. Here, if you'll observe, we are dealing with two mods, and its critical point is 1 and 3. So, first, draw the diagram, plot 1, plot 3. Now, put your first mod x minus 3. So you know that after 3 it will be positive, remaining room it is negative. Then mod x minus 1. After 1 it will be positive, remaining room it is negative. Now one by one start solving. So case 1. X belongs to minus infinity to 1. No, no. Okay, so in this room both are negative. So x 3 minus x plus 1 minus x plus 3. So it is 3x minus x square plus 4 minus x. Everything that side, so x square. So 2x will go that side, it will become minus 2x. And then 4 will go that side, minus 4. Correct? Now, you can solve this thing. X equals to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. So it is 2, it is 20. So 2 root 5. So 2 I will take common. So it is 1 plus root 5, 1 minus root 5. If you will observe, root 5 value is 2 point something. So suppose 2.1. 2.1 plus 1, 3.1. 3.1 is not in this room. So that number will be rejected. Now, this is 2.1 minus 1. So it is minus of 1.1. So it is negative. Negative number is there. So you got your first solution. Okay. Now room 2. Okay. Case x belongs to 1 to 3. 1 is yes, 3 is no. Previously we have ignored 1. So we will include 1 in this part. So first is negative. So it will become 3x minus x square, and second is positive, x minus 1 plus 3. Now everything that side, so x square will become positive x square. 4x is positive this side, so they will go that side, minus 4x. This is plus 2, plus 2 will go that side, it will become minus 2. Now x will become minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac, so it is 8. Okay, this is 2. Now this is 2 root 6. So 2 plus root 6, 2 minus root 6. Root 6 value is approximately 2.4. Suppose 2.4. So it will become 4.4. Rejected. Okay. This is this is zero point 0.4 minus zero point 0.4. Correct. So again it is also rejected. So in this case you got nothing. Now case 3. Okay, so x belongs to 3 to infinity. 3 is yes, infinity is no. Now both are positive, so x square minus 3x plus x minus 1 plus 3 equals to 0. So x square minus 2x plus 2 equals to 0. So x equals to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ab by 2a. So d is negative, so इधर से भी कुछ नहीं मिलेगा आपको. So all together if you'll observe, you got only one root, that is 1 minus root 5. So the correct option is option 1. I hope आपने इस क्वेश्चन को बनाया होगा. चलो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में.